Controversy surrounding a proposed community garden in Red Bluff has already led to the censure of City Council member Cody Strock. Now Strock's former partners are taking him to court. Action News Now reporter Jesse Angelo traveled to Red Bluff tonight and takes a look at the lawsuit and the future of the garden.
The controversy revolves around this property on Sycamore Street in Red Bluff. According to One Seat at a Time director Priscilla Burke, the lot was supposed to be deeded to them, but instead, she says, the land was given to their former partner and Red Bluff City Councilman Cody Strock. A formal complaint accused Strock of violating City Council code by submitting a conditional use permit fee waiver request for a community garden on the property under his nonprofit organization. Strock was censured for that action in a 4-0 vote on June 3rd. Despite the censure, Strock began irrigation work on the property, prompting One Seat at a Time to file for a temporary restraining order, which was granted on June 17th. Burke says they tried to work things out with Strock beforehand.
We had previously reached out to him to try to work out something that was agreeable to both parties, and basically were met with no response other than antagonizing, I would say would be the best word to describe it.
Burke says that with Strock being censured twice by the city council, he should have no involvement with the property.
I don't believe that Mr. Strock should be the person in control of such a project, and that's just with my experience with him.
One Seat at a Time has filed a lawsuit that claims Strock's claim to the land is invalid and seeks the return of the property to One Seat at a Time, as well as compensatory and punitive damages. Strock says he just wants to create a community garden on the property and says he's confident in overcoming the legal challenges.
This is kind of how these things go. It's not super unique to Red Bluff, but it's especially present in Red Bluff. You can't do a good thing here without getting sued and without a bunch of people acting out.
Strock says that if things go his way in court, he would have the garden open within 30 days. In Red Bluff, Jesse Angelo, Action News Now.
And the next court date is July 9th.